share with you. There are a lot of concerns. Now is not the time, maybe, but I will not go into depth. Minister of National Security, Homeland Security, Minister of Defense, AG. And there are concerns about what's happening in our region. And I ask you, let not your hearts be troubled. Do not fear, because Kamala is here. Do not fear. Do not fear. And so while you're worrying about the radar, I want you to know every one of you is on my radar. Every one of you is on my radar because I'm looking out for you. So you worry about radar and you worry about Venezuela. Don't worry. And I'll tell you something, you know. I think it's the height of hypocrisy and unkindness that there are people in our country who want to fight the Americans. Tonight, I say it again, I stand in bilateral relationships with the United States of America. They are amongst our oldest trading partners, one. They are our largest trading partner in terms of millions of dollars trade between us. With Venezuela, we have 0.000 trade. With the United States, Minister of Trade, are you here? Kennedy, you may know. Billions of dollars in trade. And you know something else? I don't think people know this. Over 350,000 Trinidadians and Tobagonians hold U.S. visas. Over 350,000 Trinidadians Tobagonians hold what? A U.S. visa. Why? Because people like to go and visit the United States. How many of you going to other parts of the world? I won't name where. Over 300. Philip, did you know that? I checked and I found out. Over 350,000 Trinidadians. And they use this visa not to travel once, but they use it multiple times. Several times some people travel. So why are you bad-mouthing the people? You want to go in the people country, but you want to bad-mouth them. Isn't that hypocrisy from some? And careful, you don't end up like Antigua and Barbuda and Dominica, who bad-mouthed in the U.S., and guess what happened? All their visas restricted now. They've cut their visas. Which Trini wants to cut their visas? So behave yourself. Understand where our help comes from. Understand who could protect and defend Trinidad and Tobago. Right now, there's only one country in the world can do it. They have the money, they have the equipment, they have the assets.